Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson I will be teaching you how to play Yankee Doodle. It's in 4 parts. I'll show you each part separately in the right hand, and then we will glue all the 4 parts together so you can play the whole song. We are going to use both hands because of the range of notes is from this G in the left hand here all the way up to this F in the right hand here. So to start with, we'll put both thumbs on middle C. It's a little bit strange, but you can choose which thumb you want to put in front of the other. For myself, I prefer to put my left hand in top of the right hand. So here's the first part. This is all right hand until the last note, which is going to be a G here. Like this. C, C, D, E, C, E, D, G. Yankee Doodle went to town, A. Now do it slowly. Let's try again. I'll call out the letters this time. C, C, D, E, C, E, D, G. The second part, it starts on C. C, C, D, E, C, B. Riding on a pony. So now do it slowly and I'll call out the letters. C, C, D, E, C, B. Now I'll play the first part, followed by the second part, the part I just played. Starting on C. C, C, D, E, C, E, D, G, C, C, D, E, C, B. And again, this time with the words. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. A little bit faster version here, just so you can see how it sounds, those 2 parts. Now the third part is all in the right hand, but I'll keep my left hand here because we're going to need it in the last part anyway. So we'll start again on C. Stuck a feather in his cap, and I'll call out the letters now. C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C. Do one more time, a bit slower. C, C, D, E, F, going to play all of those 3 parts, one after another, from the beginning. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his cap and... So one more time, I'm just going to call out the letters, those first 3 sections. C, C, D, E, C, E, D, G, C, C, D, E, C, B, C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C. Now we're ready for the last little section. We're starting this time in the left hand on B. So where's B? There's C. That's B. On the end of the 3 black keys, B there. So this is it. B, G, A, B, C, C. The last C's there you could play with either hand. C, C, or C, C, or C, C, for a bit of fun. So I'll play that section again. Called it macaroni. That's the way I like to do it. Left hand and right hand. I'll play it again. B, G, A, B, C, C. One more time. B, G, A, B, C, C. Okay, that's all the 4 parts. I'll play all of it now, glued together. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his cap and called it macaroni. Very strange words, but I really love this song. It's really quite funny. Let me play it one more time, a little bit faster. Now I'll do my little version of it. I'm going to play a C up here. There we are. Lovely song. I hope that helped, and I recommend watching this video as many times as it takes for you to play this over and over until it's easy for you. And please give me a like on the channel and subscribe to my channel too, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.